Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Email Marketing 2.0 video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of email marketing on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate email marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1, Email Marketing Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it, automating your email marketing efforts, and regular versus self-hosted email marketing. Section 2, Setting Things Up. In videos 4 and 5, we'll talk about the 5 cornerstones of a successful email marketing campaign and setting things up before creating your first email marketing campaign. Section 3, Creating an EM campaign, step by step. In videos 6 through 10, we'll talk about researching a hot online topic, creating an attractive lead magnet, setting up a high-converting squeeze page, setting up a persuasive autoresponder series, and sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. Section 4, Advanced Email Marketing Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about inbox delivery secrets exposed, proven tricks for growing your subscribers list quickly, writing results-oriented newsletters and autoresponders, simple little tricks to double your email open rates, skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro, and how to dramatically increase your ROI. Section 5, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of email marketing. I know you'll love this training.